Today we talk about Draggan, the AI-powered image editing tool that makes editing images easy. Draggan is a new AI tool developed by the Max Planck Institute that allows users to modify photographs realistically with a few clicks and drags. Based on a research article, it provides two major components: feature-based motion supervision and a revolutionary point tracking techniques. So today we discussed about how Draggan works, how to use Draggan AI, features of Draggan AI editing tool, what you can do with Draggan AI, tips to use AI photo editor. So let's get started. Number one point is how Draggan works. Draggan changes picture by generating a 3D model of image which is subsequently editable. User may adjust the position, shape, emotion and arrangement of items in the image without impacting the remainders of the image. Draggan works by first extracting features from an image with a convolutional neural network CNN. These characteristics are then utilized to generate a 3D representation of the picture. A second CNN is then used to alter the 3D model. This CNN was trained using an image dataset that has been altered by humans. The altered photos are used to tell the CNN how to modify the 3D model. Once stored, the CNN may be used to alter any picture. Point 2. How to use Draggan AI. To use the Draggan AI tool for photo editing, follow these steps. Visit the Draggan website, Draggan AI, but website is still under development. Point 2. Then upload the image you wish to alter. Then drag a point on the image to desired spot. And when you release the point, Draggan will automatically modify the image to match your modification. And continue dragging point and adjusting the image as needed. And at last, when you are through editing, click the save button to save the updated image. Number 3. Feature of Draggan AI editing tool. There are 4 features of Draggan AI editing tool. Number 1. Point-based editing. Draggan allows user changing images directly on the screen by dragging and dropping points. Number 2. 3D model integration. Draggan expands the possibility of producing a 3D model of the pictures. Number 3. User-friendly interface. Draggan promises to deliver a straightforward and user-friendly experience for both seasoned editors and newbies to AI picture editing tool. Number 4. Potential for image editing. Draggan has the potential to change the way we approach picture editing due to its unique features. Draggan stretches the frontiers of what is possible by merging point-based editing and 3D modeling, allowing users new paths for artistic expression. And the question is what you can do with the Draggan AI. Draggan is a powerful image editing tool that may be used in a multitude of ways. It is still in the early phase of development, but it has already demonstrated great potential. I am looking forward to seeing how Draggan develops in the future. Here are some examples of what you can achieve using Draggan. You can modify the pose of a person or animals. You can alter the shape or size of an object. You can add or remove object from an image. Also, you can change the background of an image, and at last create a new image from scratch. Because Draggan allows you to create new image from scratch, you may utilize its drawing and painting tools to create images, add texture and colors, and bring your artistic idea to life. And at the last, there are some tips to use Draggan AI photo editor. Consider the following tips when using Draggan. Being with a high quality image. A high quality resolution well lit photograph will provide better result. Number 2. Drag point with precision. Use precision while choosing and modifying points in Draggan will result in more accurate and realistic transformation. Try on various settings. Draggan has a number of options and parameters that you may adjust to reach the desired result. Number 4. Find joy in the process. Draggan is a powerful tool that enables for more exploration and artistic expression. Have fun with it and let your imaging run wild. In summary, if I tell you that what is Draggan in one line, that Draggan is an image editing AI tool that uses generative adversarial network scans. It enables users to make change to image and networks and artworks by dragging points over the screen. How does Draggan AI work? Draggan manipulates image while maintaining their integrity using AI techniques. User may modify and edit the image by tagging and dragging spot on it. There are also a question that what is the research team vision for Draggan? The research team goal is to provide consumer exact control over picture modification by dragging points to the correct position. Draggan website is still in its earliest stage of development. It is not yet commercially accessible, but its progress and potential feature release can be expected. And I think it may be released in June.